Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker and the problem here is crackling sound in the speaker. So let me show you a quick demo here. So the problem is speaker driver in this. You can see rings has been cracked here. The speaker is completely damaged. So we have to replace the driver here. So the reason behind the crackling sound is bad speaker ring. So it is because of over the time the rings get degraded. So because of that speaker gets damaged. So to solve this problem, I have the original JBL Go Bluetooth speakers driver for sale here. So if you want to buy this, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. It can be shipped to any part of India using speed post courier. So it will be cheaper. So these are original JBL Go Bluetooth speakers driver which is harvested from JBL Go fresh speakers, and rings has been replaced for long life. So if you want to buy this, don't hesitate to message on this above WhatsApp number. Please avoid calling because I get too many calls, so I may not able to respond. So if you want to buy this, please do message on this WhatsApp number. It can be shipped to any part of India. If you are in Bangalore, you can visit here personally to buy this. And very soon I am going to upload a long video how to replace these drivers. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. So you can see the original driver of this JBL Go Bluetooth speaker. It's 100% original. Just you have to buy this and remove the old speaker and just plug it. That's it. Plug and play and fix your crackling sound problem in your JBL Go Bluetooth speaker, which is award winning model. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.